Bab al-Haya'u min al-Iman. Chapter al-Haya. Self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, honor, etc. is a part of faith. حدثنا عبد الله بن يوسف قال أخبرنا مالك بن أنس عن ابن شهاب عن سالم بن عبد الله عن أبيه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم مر على رجل من الأنصار وهو يعظ أخاه في الحياء فقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم دعه فإن الحياء من الإيمان. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, once Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, passed by an Ansari man who was admonishing his brother regarding al-Haya. On that Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, leave him, as Haya is a part of faith. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of narrations, 20 from Abdullah ibn Umr, radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.